Yo, what's good? This is another mukbang. Your boy
Dad,
KJA.
this your boy?
Hold on, bro. You messing up my whole thing. Put your little crappy butt on. Like I said, it's another mukbang.
He's sweating with Deco here.
Come on, my dog.
Oh, that's how you start off
Look
your
here.
intro.
Be quiet. Look here. Look here, y'all. I made some that I never made before. Fried shit. Oh,
I don't have nowhere to sit.
this right here. This is fried ribs.
Low-key, that real.
Yeah. It look like a wishbone. You call that? But yeah, I fried them, and I tasted a little bit of it. It's fire. I know. I should have did it on the camera.
It tastes like bacon.
I should have did it on the camera, but whatever. For New
And it tastes like bacon.
Hold on. Happy New Year's to everybody who whoever watched this. Happy New Year's. And I'm drinking a little sham, but then you know what it is.
Got the colors in the building.
So I'm about to try it on the camera, and I want y'all to see.
We suck at New Year's.
Yep, we do.
I'm gonna show y'all what it is. See how it tastes.
Oh, I love eating doodle.
This junk good. This junk good. I ain't gonna lie, this is good.
It tastes like a bacon, guys. So comment down below if you ever ate this, and yeah.
What he said, whatever.
I'm gonna be the one that comments. Y'all all like it, alright?
Alright, look here, y'all.
We love you guys too, like we did in that TikTok video. I hope y'all have
Let me get a word out.
I hope y'all have a good.
Chill. Don't be doing extra, dude. You slam. If you slam him, don't.
I ain't slam
You slam him hard.
I slammed me.
Yeah, and him. His head went back.
It hit my face.
All right, look here, y'all.
Yeah, we're crazy,
baby.
Come on, man. Let me do this video. For real.
The video.
Yeah.
You baby.
Look.
Dad, let me taste mine.
No, boy, chill out. Man,
Stupid.
look here, man. I ain't say not a word yet. Chill out. Look here. This is the bomb. I ain't gonna lie. I'ma smash this in a minute. But I smash my food when I'm off. Hey. Chill out.
He can't help it. That's just retarded. It's this whole out.
Hey, shout out to my brother. Shout out to my brother Jalen. I know you looking at this, man. You know how it is. Every day, these boys be like that.
No, it's you that mostly be like this. We just influence
Nah,
off
bro.
of
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
These boys crazy. You know the real. You know the real deal. But yeah.
Yeah, we follow
I'm
his
about to
body.
eat this later, but I'm gonna talk about a little something real quick. If y'all, this about to be a new year, 2019. Shout out to all the people who gonna. Hold on, be quiet. Shout out to all the people who wanna be better in the new year. Shout out to the people who wanna be quiet.
It was coughing.
All right.
See,
Shout out
so
to all.
mean.
Be quiet. Shout out to all the people who wanna work hard, who wanna study more, who wanna do everything they can, do everything they want to do the best. Period. They want to elevate their life. Period. They want to people who they don't want to talk to. They gonna drop them. Shout out to all them people who wanna stop talking to people they don't supposed to. Shout out to the Hey! Stop being loud. Damn. Shout out to all the people to just like I said, want to elevate their life. I know I'm rambling really because they get on my nerves, but it is what it is. Yeah, like I said, be quiet. Shout out to just
Just be quiet.
it's 4:30. 4 minutes and 30 seconds on bull crap, but whatever. I hope y'all like this video though. But at the same time, I'm still like I said, I'm gonna go back to the New Year thing. Be quiet, the New Year thing.
Did I talk?
Yeah, don't be doing them hand gestures, dog. Stop doing
Did
hand
I talk?
I don't care.
Did I talk?
Your voice,
No,
your face,
I didn't say a word.
your face make you talk. Be quiet. They just want to take over this whole
He's
thing.
frustrating.
I mean, I can. I get this thing shut down real quick.
You got anything? Let's do this.
You
You
know-
got anything you want to say about the new year?
Yes, me.
You go
Why
first.
you raising your hand? We
You,
done school.
you go first. You go first.
I hope y'all have a good New Year, and I hope y'all. I didn't even know it was Christmas. I hope y'all have a good Christmas and
It's not Christmas, boy.
no,
But-
when it was Christmas. When it was Christmas. I hope they had a good Christmas.
Okay.
I don't
And
understand you.
What? Hope y'all had a good Christmas, a good holiday. And I hope everything be fine and everything be safe. And I hope y'all have a good New Year and a good day. Okay, it's the fall turn.
We're haters. Leafy is here. Yeah, Leafy is here. We're hating this channel. We're bringing it down to the ground. I hope y'all had a good New Year's. You know, go follow Leafy. You know, I don't know why he quit
Talking
YouTube.
people.
Leafy's here. Anyway, that's
You
it.
love talking about other YouTubers while on my platform.
Because they can get you.
Don't
up.
do that. Don't do that. I don't want to come
Leafy's
up
here.
on
Like I
nobody.
said. All right. Yes, that's it. I'm ending it.
Yeah, all right, thank you. But you ain't got no thing about the new year though? Like what you gonna accomplish, what you gonna do better than what you didn't do this
I don't
this
want
year?
to talk about my influences on this channel.
Why?
Leafy is here.
No, talk about it. Talk about it.
I'm good.
To let y'all know, this is my little brother. He
I'm
wanna
good.
see. How old are you, CJ? I mean, how old are you, Steph?
13.
Oh, you gotta say my age.
So why won't you want to talk about? Stop. Why don't you want to?
Can't
Don't
tell.
not on the glass. What's wrong with you?
My bad.
Not on, dude. I'm trying to talk to you. Why don't you want to talk about what you want to do in the
Wait,
new
the
year?
video.
Wait, be quiet. Oh shit. Why you don't want to talk about what you want to do in the new year?
Don't know. I just don't want to.
You don't want to accomplish nothing.
Yeah, I do. I just don't want to talk about it.
Well, what do you want to accomplish? Give me one thing you want to accomplish. Matter of fact, 2 things you want to accomplish.
2 things?
Yep.
Okay, well, I'm gonna bring my, should I say I want to accomplish it or I want to bring it up? Now, I want to bring my grades up better like I am.
Okay.
And what
That's
else?
a good thing.
I mean, that's kind of really it. I mean,
Oh no, be quiet.
everything else I'm already doing, so I really don't know what's it.
Huh?
Second thing, I really don't know.
The second thing you don't know.
I really don't know.
You don't know anything you
say
I
want.
mean,
Happy
everything
New
else
Year.
I'm already doing.
Just say
so.
Happy New Year.
What's something that you're lacking and you want to accomplish it? Get better
Something
at
that I'm lacking?
it. Yeah.
Money. I want to accomplish get more money.
And how you think you can do that?
Get a job.
Get a job?
Yep, we have jobs from school that pays money, and I'm about to get one.
No, stop. For real?
Mhm.
What kind of jobs is that?
You can do one for NASA, which you don't believe in. Earth is flat, boy.
All right.
Anyone. What else? Yeah, like jobs like that, and a lot of other jobs. You make stuff for kids. You sell slime.
Make stuff with kids?
Mhm.
Okay.
In order to get one of those jobs, you have to really have good grades, like crazy.
So what you gonna do to get the good grades? How you gonna do that? What are you gonna do?
Obviously, I'm gonna
Wait.
do better in classes, which I already do well. Just teachers don't like me. I like tapping.
You gonna work hard?
Like I already have been doing. Yes.
You gonna get up when it's time to get up for school?
Nope.
That's one reason why you
I tell the truth, and that's the truth. I hate school. Everybody does. School does not help you in the real world. Only helps you is get a job. I agree with that.
Do y'all agree about that? If y'all agree about that, if y'all if y'all still watching this and y'all agree with what he just said,
School
comment
helps you with
if
math,
y'all agree
count
with that.
money. All right, I help. That helps you count money. I agree. Reading when you get older, and like other things, other assignments, other stuff like that. But anything else, no.
So school do help you, but not in a way you like to be helped.
I'll like a little different, a lot different actually.
Yeah. Okay.
Does not help me for when I gotta pay
I thought we
taxes.
was gonna do this.
CJ, shut up. Shut
No.
up.
Hold on, you talking.
I thought
Wait. Go ahead.
we was gonna do the vision reveal without talking.
What?
I thought thought we was gonna do full gender reveal without talking.
Full gender reveal? What? What this boy on? Alright, man. You know what? This been going on for too long. It's your boy, KJA.
Yeah.
I got my bro in the back. His name is, I don't know what his YouTube name is, but
His name is Stefan.
Lion.
he ain't make one yet, but he's gonna make one.
CJ, never say your real name so
Hold
much on YouTube, okay?
No, he don't.
Okay.
What's your nickname?
My nickname
Lion. My
is
name is
Leo.
Lion.
Leo. All right.
Oh, of course.
Nickname Leo.
No, you
All right,
should
it's
be
your boy.
My name
KJ.
Leo.
It's your boy KJ, aka King Jama Art. You already know. If you like this channel, if you like this video, please
Subscribe.
like it. Please subscribe or comment
Hold on,
below.
do something.
Comment below whatever y'all want to
Stop,
say.
stop. Don't end the video.
I hope this was
Don't
funny.
end the video.
All right,
Listen,
hold on. I hope this was funny. I hope y'all like it. It's two brothers in a pie. Well, I got my other brother, but he somewhere doing his thing. But you know what it is. It's your boy Jay. It's your boy KJ. And I'm gonna let him say something. What's up?
Nasty little boy.
You should have something so you will actually get, more subscribers. So you should say this. Everybody type something in the chat saying what type of content they want. The most votes they get.
It's not in this video, man. We'll talk about that later. In the next video.
Peace.
But yeah, it's your boy KJ. We out this boy. Bada bing, bada boom, bop, pop, pop.